Welcome to Durham, where we are passionate about fostering student enterprise. By becoming part of the Venture Lab community, we are empowered to explore significant problems and develop innovative solutions that can positively impact the world at scale. Venture Lab provides comprehensive support, including over £50,000 in prize money, startup workshops and personalised coaching to help us turn ideas into reality. We also benefit from alumni sharing their wisdom through talks and mentoring, guiding the next generation forward towards global impact. Venture Lab supports startups that are creating solutions to global challenges, including climate change, plastic waste, food poverty, and health and well-being. Durham isn't just about entrepreneurship, it's about changing the world. Join us in shaping a better tomorrow.